Hi guys. So excited to be filming in my beauty room. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I do weekly videos if you don't know who I am. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and since you're here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell on when I will upload new videos for you guys. So in this video is another birthday haul. Let's get into it. So this is birthday haul part 2. Part dos, and I got my nails done. Oh, she killed it. She did pink because I was like, girl, I really want bright ass color, and then I want sparkles, and she's like, I got you. So yeah, what can I show? What can I start? Of course, wearing the new Girly Pop merch. We love her. If you follow me on Instagram, I just posted this makeup tutorial using that new palette, which came in the mail. It is gorgeous. It's the ultimate multi-diamond palette, something like that. I don't even know. I'll leave a link down below. All right, we're gonna start with this. No, I'm just kidding. This is the strap for this beautiful, beautiful bag. It is another Ella. This is the Ella Bloom bag in mauve. I believe I will leave a link down below for you guys. It is gorgeous. I have been wearing it. I love these Ella bags. I'll insert some pictures of me wearing them, styling them. I have two belt bags already. This is the Bloom bag. It's an actual purse, so it comes like this. So beautiful. And then it has the straps. You can tie it around, do all the things. Beyond love it. It's my fave. Just love. Anyways, so this is it. She's so pretty. Oh my God, I love her so much. Shout out to Vanessa, who literally told me, gave me a discount code. She's MVP. Talking about my Girly Pop, like, love for Allie, I went and did another order. I think it was, I think there was a sale or something. I'm not too sure. But anyways, so I ordered the hoodie here. It hasn't come in yet. It's blue. I'm so excited about it. I'm still waiting on it. Hopefully it comes very, very soon. But I did buy this. Ooh, Girly Pop phone case in, of course, the 14. I'm just debating because there is no like back. What should I do? Leave me a comment below what I should do for this part. I honestly don't know. I want to do a pop socket, but I'm like, do I do a ring thing? I have like, because this is my phone and I have the loopy case, but it's like, I know, right? So anyways, so I got that. I couldn't resist and get the mug. So I have the mug. It says Girly Pop, so, so cute. And it says, you are deserving, you are worthy, you are capable. I love it so, so much. Even though I'm drinking from that one, I just wanted to show this because I want to be like, oh, you know, all over the place. So there's that. For my birthday, I ended up going to the Royal Winnipeg Ballet. If you guys don't know what that is, every year they do the Nutcracker, and I've attended the Nutcracker for about a couple of years. I don't know, off and on. I love that ballet. That like story, just everything is like my favorite. That's why I love Nutcrackers. Like all my decor is pretty much Nutcrackers. I love it. I'm like, I love the Nutcracker. Anyways, so I went to go see the ballet. It was as beautiful as it was so stunning. These like men and women who like go out there and perform and do like the amazing job that they do is just so inspiring. And so I was like, you know what? I really want to get something. So I went with my beautiful friend Tracy. And then I got this cute hoodie, and this is a Nutcracker. So cute! I'm wearing a large. I love it oversized just because it's like more loose, not so tight and stuff. But this has been my staple. I've been wearing it all the time. So I love it. I love it so much. It comes from my friend Eric. If you guys know, I had shipped a couple things to his place in the States. He was so, so kind enough to ship it to me here, and it came really quick, which is amazing. Like, it's shipping to Canada and America is just so weird. We're literally brother sisters. Like, we need to work together to make this happen for us. But anyways, so I ended up getting some Dibs makeup, you guys. Dibs! I'm so excited. Okay, you guys will know that this is gonna happen. Like, I've been waiting like very long time for this stuff. Like, nobody's business. It has been a long time coming trying to get Dibs. Like, I just saw that they didn't ship to Canada, and I was like, that needs to change. So I ended up getting, oh my God, you guys, I got the Dibs bronzing. Ooh, you guys, I can't wait to put this all over my body. I will most likely, oh, that was a great scent. Oh, so pretty. I would love to come out with my own stuff. If you guys don't know who Dibs is, Courtney Shields. I love her. She's also a single mom. Love it. You know, just feeling fill in all that. So I ended up going with, there was a package kind of thing. I think there was like a package. So it was like order this and then these two or something. It was like a deal. So I think I ended up spending, I don't really know. I honestly don't even know. It's been so long. So anyway, so I got number 1. So this is this was the bronze, unbothered bronze status stick. And this is the Desert Island Duo. This is what I wanted. So I got 1. So it's blush is Out of Office and bronzer is Vacay Vibes. And then number 3, which is blush Full Deets, bronzer Spill the Tea. So number 1 is obviously like to die for. Love it. Oh my God, you guys, I'm like so excited. I will be ordering more, let's be honest. Oh my God. Look at that color, people. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Look at that bronzer. You guys, I can't wait to just devour my face into this. Like, you guys have no idea. So that is number 1. And then number 3 is, oh, look at that bronzer. So pretty. I don't want to ruin it because I want to like, look at that. So pretty. So good. I'm so excited, you guys. You have no idea. So the next thing that Eric shipped to me is from, if you guys don't know her name is Danielle Brandon. I'm a huge fan of hers. I think she's amazing. She's so young, like, but I feel like she's just so cool. Like, I just like wish I was her at her age. It's so crazy. But anyways, she was selling from Rad Global. They have her own DBE Energy. So I ended up getting a t-shirt. This is like supporting her as an athlete. She's a CrossFit athlete. You guys didn't know I used to do CrossFit a long time ago. And I got a large, super cute. There's like on the arm too. I can't wait to rock this when I start working out at the gym for my competition. I'm so excited. And then this was a gift from Eric. He's so, so sweet. I love it so much. He gave me some coffee, some tea, one from Starbucks and one from a place I don't know, but it's so super, super kind. I was just like, please just send me some stuff. You don't need to send me anything extra. But he sent me this beautiful mug. It says, "Be still and know Psalm 46:10. Because we both love Jesus. It's so nice. And it's like my favorite mug. I love it. It's so beautiful. Big and perfect for my cup of coffee or tea in the evening. Because again, I can only have 1 cup in the morning and tea in the evening because I will be up all night. Not okay. On my birthday, I went to Starbucks. I got my free drink, which was the vanilla oat milk. Oh my God, I can't say it. Vanilla oat milk latte grande. And then I got a breakfast sandwich, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, I did. And then, of course, I went to Sephora, obviously. They didn't have my birthday gift, so it's currently in the mail. I ended up getting this guy. It's Laura Mercier package. They're gonna ship it to me. So I was like, well, that's silly. Because I went in there getting my birthday gift, and of course I wanted to look around. But you guys, again, the price on this, crazy. So this is the Natasha Denona Mini Biba palette. You guys, this palette is straight fire. I think it's very pigmented, but it was $34 for this little guy. Yeah, I know. So, but I did order 2 more. I love Natasha Denona. I really want to own the big palette. I will though one day, just not right now. So again, this was $34. This is what I got from Sephora. Oh yeah, and I also got a liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Bohemian. I don't have this color, but it's really pretty. So really excited about that. That's all it is. So I'm waiting for the other stuff in the mail. And that's that. If you guys saw from the vlog, of course, we went out for dinner. Really, really fun time with my friends. Super, super kind for them to take me out. Like, it was just them like being like, yeah, let's do it for your birthday. And it was so nice. Like, I really appreciate, I value these girls so, so much. It was Vanessa, Shayna, and Shannon. I will leave them on the screen, link down below where you can find them. They are amazing people. If you guys can go follow them. I love them all so much dearly, like in their own like way. They're so kind. So I'm gonna share what they got me. So first thing comes from Shannon. So, so cute. She got me the Jillian Harris. If you guys didn't know, Jillian Harris came out with a collaboration with Canvas, which is sold at Canadian Tire. And she got me a snow globe. She knows how much I love snow globes. I'm really thankful because this was actually one of the things that I actually really liked from her collection. Not that I didn't like it. I just was like, I don't know. This was a really nice gift. Thank you so much. Sweater Weather, Cold and Canary, shop local. It is brown sugar, yam, honey, vanilla. It's a reed diffuser. I don't want to open it because it's like, Yeah, I don't want to open it. But anyways, this is what it is. So, so cute. I will try to link everything down below on where everything is. Comes from my friend Shayna. So, so sweet. She got me some Tula products, which I'm so excited about because I love Tula so, so much. I've always wanted to try them, and now they're available at Sephora, which is amazing. So I have the trio here. We have probiotics and superfoods. This is exfoliating scrub. We have the gingerbread exfoliating scrub and the sugar plum exfoliating scrub. So, so excited. Love all this stuff. Love Tula so, so much. Benefit, Totally Glam, Telegram. Of course, we have the Gimme Brow, Hula Bronzer, Benefit the Real Mascara, and of course, the Professional Primer, which is all balm. Thank you so much. So sweet and so cute in this little packaging. Love it so much. I honestly don't know if this is from Vanessa or, because I opened everything because my daughters are like, I want to see what you got. So, I don't know this hand cream. I think this is from Vanessa, but maybe Shayna. I'm sorry, I don't know. But there's a hand cream. Super cute. It's in peach, scented day in and day out. And then I got lashes from Vanessa. I got MAC lashes, which you guys know I love lashes, obviously. These are fire. I want to wear these so badly. And then she got me the most cutest from Jacomi. The cutest necklace, hands down. I wanted to wear it in the video, but I didn't want to like show my neck. So I took it off and I put it back in the box. Can you guys see that? It's an L with a heart. I hope you guys can see that. Super, super cute. Love it. And then I got a cute little candle, White Barn, Falling Flurries. Smells so good. My daughter approves of it, so it smells super good. So that's what I got for my birthday, you guys. That's so sweet. I feel the love so, so much. Yeah, I bought myself a couple things, but again, the events that happened, like dinner, all the things was just so hands down amazing. Feeling all the love. And that's pretty much it from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I love you guys so, so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so we can help this channel grow. And let me know in the comments down below what you want to see next. I'd appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.